Hey, what's going on, guys? Looks like we're gonna put this thing together real quick. So just gonna clean it up one more time. Be able to put this thing all back together. We won't have to take it apart again, unless it starts leaking once we get it on the car and get all the fuel system hooked up. Then we might have a problem. But I think we're good. I mean, everything kind of looks pretty doggone clean. You know, for the most part. Trying not to tear this rubber. It's already stupid and broke that plastic seal ring on this.
Pretty much got me through college. Those years. I was driving a Camaro at the time. Windows down, Def Leppard up. I bet you're reliving some memories today, too, as we get through all of these songs from our Def Leppard and Journey and Pretenders catalog, getting you ready for the Coors Field show tonight with 99.5 The Mountain.
I'll have fun editing this video then, I guess. Wonder how many songs are going to come up on the copyright on this. I don't understand that. It's coming free from the radio. I'm not making anything off of it. I'm not selling it. probably killing the hell out of that. My float. Probably should have put that on first. Now that I think about it. Yeah, why would you do the top first? It's not like it's going to help me get the bottom done any quicker. Would have gotten the top done quicker though, probably. Oh, I forgot the spring. Wonderful. Okay. Thank God that didn't need to get out. So we'll do the bottom now. It's so much more relaxing than sanding, isn't it? I find it to be. For a little bit, sanding can actually be quite relieving at times. Get a lot of time to yourself. Have a good thought or two. Maybe cure cancer, I don't know.
Summer heat, fan yourself down with a fistful of $100 bills. Sizzling summer cash, brought to you by the Colorado Lottery. Starting Monday, just be listening for the sizzling summer cash keyword to score $1,000. We'll play a new keyword every hour, 12 times a day, every weekday, so you can cool off with some cold, hard cash. Take a break from the heat this summer with sizzling summer cash on 99.5 The Mountain.
Oh, we are ready to party tonight for one of the biggest shows this summer. Def Leppard and Journey live at Coors Field. And we are throwing the pre-party just north of the stadium at Blake Street Tavern. Having a good old time down here. We've got the beer garden, we've got food, all the drinks, cornhole, plus there is going to be a big hair contest coming up later. Yeah, you can win some gift cards, you can win some concert tickets, all kinds of fun stuff. Plus excellent drink specials. Bud and Bud Light drafts $5. Elysian, Def Leppard drafts and cans $7. All craft beers outside $7. Brats and hot dogs $7. You can tell $7's kind of a thing here. Also, they got some big tattoos $7.
There. See, I broke it actually. Pretty good too. Good thing they still sell those.
Rocking it up, Lake Street Tavern for the Journey Def Leppard pre-party. It's Dan Hardy live with 99.5 The Mountain.
We just gotten home from vacation, and Richie had to go downstairs to grab
Well,
something out of the dryer.
I don't know if you need to see me do that again, so all I got to do is just throw the spring back in there and we're good to go on this. We can throw this back on the car. Get ready, hook all the hoses back up, hook the links back up, everything, and we should be good to go on that one. We'll probably throw some starting fluid in it, see whether or not it kicks over again. So, alright guys, take it easy, peace.